In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play split screen here on your PS5 in Fortnite. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, you are going to need obviously two controllers connected to your PS5 to do this. So make sure you have your two controllers connected. If you don't know how to connect them, I have full videos breaking that down. But essentially, get loaded into Fortnite on your main controller logged into your main PS5 account, and then grab your second controller and hit the PlayStation button. And what this is going to do is start signing in that second account. You're going to have to select another PlayStation ID, select that, and then it's going to prompt you to sign into a Epic Games account or Fortnite account associated with that account if there's not already one signed in. After you go ahead and do that, you'll be put in the main lobby and you're going to have just your main guy still signed in. You need to go ahead and select add user down in the very bottom. You can do this just by hitting the options button on your controller, and the second player is going to automatically join the session, and you'll see both players are going to be active in the lobby. From here, you can start a match and it's going to automatically be in split screen, but that is it. It really is as simple as just connecting both controllers. That is like the dumbed down version of it. Just make sure you have both controllers connected, hop into Fortnite and you're good to go. If you're having any issues, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great one. Bye-bye.